Hi everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. Back in early 2018, I did a 3-week incredible journey across India. I visited 7 cities and I tried like 75 different dishes, street food and in restaurants. But of all the unique and bizarre foods I tried in India, there's only one that easily takes the cake as the most outrageous: Fire Paan. Before we get into the video and I explain to you what Fire Paan is, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updated when all the new videos drop. Are you ready? Let's learn about Fire Paan. So what exactly is Fire Paan? Fire Paan is a variation of pan, a common Indian street food that usually consists of an areca nut that is then tightly wrapped inside a betel leaf, sometimes along with spices, berries, tobacco, and chocolate. This is often used as a stimulant, a breath freshener, and a palate cleanser, and it's said that it aids in digestion and has medicinal properties. Usually, the most bizarre thing that comes from eating regular pan is that it temporarily turns your tongue and saliva bright red, but Fire Paan is way more extreme. With Fire Paan, the betel leaf stays and the vendor adds cloves, other spices, a special sauce, dried fruits, nuts, and sugar as well. But then, the vendor lights the mixture inside the leaf on fire, and without wrapping it into a bundle like regular pan, shoves the entire leaf, flame and all, into the customer's open mouth. Fire Paan is a relatively recent culinary invention that is said to have come about when Indian street food vendor Pradyuman Shukla began lighting pan on fire after it was suggested to him by a former employee, and supposedly took 45 days to perfect. While trying Fire Paan looks dangerous, the vendor who invented it, as well as others who have adopted it into their specialty, all say it's perfectly safe. You can find dozens of stalls selling this smoky and bizarre treat and its freezing counterpart, Ice Pan, for roughly about $1 in Connaught Square in the center of Delhi, India. I tried Fire Paan twice in Delhi, and I'll tell you, it's an extreme street food. I mean, this is insane. I mean, right when he lights it, you're like, oh my god, it's going straight in my mouth. This flame just goes into your mouth, and it's really just like a huge smoke bomb, just like boom in your mouth. I mean, it takes a second, and then you calm down, you take it down, and it really hits you. I mean, pan like hits you, and it's like a mental high. I mean, you really feel something when you take pan. You know what? I liked pan after meals because it gave me energy. It was better than coffee. And I also recommend trying Ice Pan. Right when he puts it in your mouth, you have a quick like brain freeze, and then 2 seconds later, everything melts and you're fine. It's like two extremes. So you got this like super hot pan and then this super cold pan. It's crazy. So that's Fire Paan, the most outrageous food you will find in India. If you're ever in India, especially Delhi, and feeling really brave, I highly recommend you try Fire Paan.
Alright, ready? Yeah, sure. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, here you go. You should shut my mouth.
He can't open his eyes.
It's smoky. Oh my god. So it's like a leaf that was on fire. Shove it in my mouth, and it's like all smoky. It's also cold because you put ice in it.
You try one more?
No, I'm not gonna do another one.
Do it.
मैडम जल्दी आओ इधर
Record it. I mean, record it.
आज चॉकलेट कितने हैं इधर आओ 2 चॉकलेट हैं फायर कितने हैं
So that's Fire Paan. I just did it right now for the vlog, but that's insane. It's like a smoky ass leaf going in your mouth. Icy, chewy, gooey, gummy. It is. It's like everything. It's like. This is Fire Paan. Millie's gonna do it for the vlog. Here we go. Do it.
इधर आओ डरो मत बोलो
मेरा It's like smoke. That's awesome. The right way. Here we go, Fire Paan. Oh my god.
It's a crazy experience for sure. And guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get updated when all the new videos drop. I'm about to go back to India, so get ready. Incredible India. Namaste.
I filmed it.
Have you shooted it?
That was crazy.